So now for crunches, hands at the side of the head, off we go. We're going to do 16. Pull the stomach in, off we go. Ready? And a 1, 2, 3. Make sure you've got a nice gap under your chin. Keep pulling in. Make sure your baby's nice and steady, he's not falling down. We've got 8 to go. And 7, 6, 5, should be starting to feel it round about now. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax down, stretch out the arms above your head. Just give it about 10 seconds and we're going to go in for a second set, okay? Ready? Stomach in, hands at the side of your head. And 5, 6, 7, off we go. Lift up. And 3, 4, we've got 8 to go. And lift up. Try and lift up a little bit higher if you can. Good, ready? Last 4, 3,